Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I hope everybody is having a blessed day. Today, as you can see, I'm in a different place right now. I am here in my friend's house. This is a friend of friend, okay? I love her. She means a lot to me, and I am so excited to cook with her today because it is so special for me. And as you all can tell, when I introduce somebody in this channel, the person means a lot. Yeah, so guys, I am here to cook with my friend Elena. She has a very special recipe for us, so please let me welcome my beautiful friend Elena.
Hi everyone.
Good to see you, Elena. Elena, she means a lot to me, so she has a recipe to share with us today. So what are you going to cook with us, Elena?
So today I'd like to share with you guys my father's-in-law recipe for pancakes. So Ted's pancakes.
Yes, that's so exciting, guys. I can't wait to try this pancake. I know she cooks amazing, so I can't wait to try her pancake. So guys, let's get started into this video.
Alright, so first we're gonna mix our buttermilk with the egg.
How many?
Oh, 1 cup, guys, 1 cup of buttermilk. And I want to make sure you get the whole milk, not reduced fat. Whole milk, buttermilk.
For this recipe.
Yes,
awesome.
And 1 egg. Then we're gonna mix it.
Awesome.
And then we're gonna melt the butter.
Alright guys, so she just melted the butter right here. So how many cup of butter is this big?
1 spoon, 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of butter, okay.
We're gonna mix it in.
Okay.
With the buttermilk and 1 egg.
Wow.
So,
looks good.
this is ready, and then we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
Looks nice.
And then here we have 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
Nice.
Alright, and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar.
So with the flour, can you use, or if somebody want to use wheat flour, can they use it, or it have to be white flour for this recipe?
I prefer the white flour, but you can try the wheat flour.
Okay.
I haven't tried that one, so
Sounds good.
that's your own preference.
Guys, so use the white flour.
So now the dry ingredients.
Yeah.
Mix it well. And if you like poppy seeds, you can add poppy seed, like 1 tablespoon of poppy seed.
Oh, okay. So this time you're not adding any poppy seed.
No.
So you can add it if you want to. Awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, I love pancakes though. I don't know about you, but I do.
Put it together. You want to make sure you don't over mix it, just like to make sure the dry ingredients mix in with the wet ingredients, but don't have to
So guys,
over mix it.
that's awesome.
There you go. That's what we want. We want to see some lumps in there. Okay. Beautiful. That's about it. And then we're gonna warm up our pan with butter and then start cooking.
Now she has the pan on the stove, so she is going to light it up, and then she's going to show you how to make these delicious pancakes. So with this butter, Elena, you just have to make it right away. You don't have to leave it on. You know when sometimes people leave it on a little bit for like 5 minutes. This just goes straight to the pan, right? After you mix it.
Yep.
Awesome. So do you know what kind of temperature you're using? Like medium heat?
Medium low.
Medium low.
On the
okay,
lower
guys.
side, yeah. Because otherwise the butter will burn, and you want to let it cook slow.
Beautiful. So guys, 1 spoon of each.
3 or 4 will be just fine, right? Like this.
Yum.
And then we're gonna cover it for the first side. Gonna cover it and let it cook.
Wow, guys, you see, I've never seen a pancake covered when you make it, but this is special. You know what I mean? Yes, this is Alina's recipe. Very, very special. I can't wait to try it. Right. So how long do you have to wait, like until it cooks? Or
give it maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah.
All right. Maybe less.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna give it 5 minutes, and we will be back.
I think it's been like 4 minutes. So I'm not sure if it's ready. Maybe 1 more minute. I think it needs another minute.
It looks so good.
Yeah, it's not ready yet. So another minute or 2.
Another minute or 2. Yeah. Awesome.
Medium low. See, the fire is like low.
Yeah, let's see, guys. So it's low, as you can see. Yeah, so make sure you don't burn your pancakes, because when you burn it, guys, Papa is bringing her king.
So it's been about 5-6 minutes and they seem to be ready. You can see it's like,
ooh.
You can tell the bar is brown. There you go.
I like how puffy it looks.
Yeah.
Ooh, guys.
Now we don't have to cover, just let them sit for a couple more minutes.
Looks so yummy. This is supposed to be a special pancakes, guys. This is very special. Right now we are going to make the whipped cream. So Alina is gonna make it fresh, and she has all the ingredients lining up here. So
this is heavy whipping cream. Half a cup.
Ooh.
There you go. And then we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. One. 2. And then
vanilla.
like a 3/4 tablespoon. Ooh, might be a little too much, you think? No, it's good.
I love vanilla.
There you go, and then we're gonna whip it.
Can you see how easy to make a whipped cream? Very nice. Wow. You know how long it takes before it forms, the batter?
You kind of watch it.
Watch it like maybe 10 minutes?
No, maybe 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. You'll see it.
So it's gonna form.
Yeah, you see, you kind of watch.
Look at that, guys. So you gotta do is just use a heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Wow, that was quick.
It depends on how thick you like it. The more you do, the thicker it gets.
Wow. Looks yummy.
Thank you.
Ooh. So the guys is gonna taste it and tell us how it tastes.
Oh, it's excellent.
Yay, good job, Mama.
Yep.
Alright, so whipped cream is ready.
And we have fresh strawberries.
Strawberry, guys, looks so
delicious.
good. Wow. Alright, so what do we have to do next?
Get a plate.
Get a plate. So now, guys, we're going to show you the pancakes because it's ready. So it's time to dish it out and taste it. Yeah, so we got the strawberries right here, the whipped cream right there. Yeah, and then pancakes is coming up. So, ooh, look at that.
Alrighty.
So it looks so yummy, 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 yum. Guys, do you want some? Make some. Why? Ooh. Looks so good.
Is that too much? Never too much for me.
That's the best part.
Look at this.
Guys, are you hungry? Sorry, make some for yourself, okay? So, the recipe. Yeah. Alright guys, so now our pancake is ready. With the pancake. Helena, yeah, nice one. Ah, nice pancake. So, guys, this is way love diet. I'm telling you. Okay, guys, so I'm going to taste this pancake and see. Guys, you should come and taste this. It smells so good. I like how it is like half-eaten, which is good. Like the normal pancake is flat, but because this is special recipe. So good. Guys, I can eat 10 of this. The butter, the whipped cream, fresh. The strawberry. It is nice. Guys, try this recipe, trust me. You need to try.
Melts in my mouth.
Guys, it melts. Like Elena said, nice.
Say it one more time.
Alright guys, so I just want to thank you for watching and cooking with me and Elena.
Yeah.
The pancake was delicious, guys. Thank you so much for watching and try this recipe. Let us know how yours turn out. Okay, this is very special pancake that wherever you are, you can make it.
I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.
Okay, the coupon show BBR, and we will see you all in the next video. It is bye. Let me finish my pancake. Bye.